Hey, I just wanted to show you guys my brand new hypercar I'm designing. So this, I was really inspired from Pikes Peak's cars back in the day. Just watching the aerodynamics, start back then and evolve and to see what they're running on the Pikes Peaks courses now blows my mind. So again, this is all carbon fiber, all channeling all the air through there, creating unbelievable downforce. So especially something like this, these Trident type cars really have unbelievable ways of cutting through the air. So super aerodynamic, and then goes all the way back here. There's pretty much a suction effect happening right here because there's going to be a dead zone of air, and that is going to be negative pressure, which is going to be downforce. So it's a really cool thing right here. So I'm going to show you what it looks like zoomed in. Oh man, that looks amazing. All right, let's check out the front of that. So all carbon fiber. Again, this is not fully done, but just showing people kind of what's going on so far. Oh, that carbon looks good. Wow. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at these. Look at these. Look at these. Man, I like that. That's a beautiful car. Now it needs tires, wheels, and everything else. It needs to be finished up, but it's taken quite a long time to get to this point. So yeah, this is going to be the cockpit. So this is the negative pressure zone. So not only is there air going over the top creating downforce, there's going to be negative pressure zone build up in here. So we might need a diffuser, but it's going to channel all that the air to the back of this. So I'm going to show you. Oh man, that's a sexy car. So yeah, there's diffusers back here, but I love this diffuser. It's one of my favorite I've made yet. So it's gorgeous, but it has definitely a double. It's basically a triple spoiler effect right there. So you get air over the top. You're going to get a lot of downforce there. You get air right here. That's actually going to suck all the. That's a negative pressure zone. So that's spoiler two type, and then what comes under here is a lot more air. So that's a spoiler of three. And so obviously we've got a lot more aero to go and fine tuning for sure. We're going to have to run FEA, and then obviously check if we can get this design made, and so and then we can actually test that in a wind tunnel. So really impressed with this. I love this. I don't know if you guys love carbon fiber, but that's gorgeous so far. I'm a huge fan right now. So especially the back, that's my favorite part. So it just channels all that air through there, and yeah. So yeah, first thing we're going to do is print one of these after the fact and 3D print all that stuff. So yeah, it's going to be exciting. So just wanted to keep you guys updated, and yeah, I'm going to be doing a new engineering blog and or vlog on YouTube. So when you guys want to go subscribe, just go like, go share, subscribe, all that stuff. Definitely comment, and yeah, we will see you guys soon. But I have to cut out the windows. I'm going to cut out the lights in the back. Like, there's a lot of cool things that happen here. I've got some lights drawn in the front, but you can't see them. They're going to be right around here. But it's almost like an LMP1 or LMP2 car. But I would almost call this like an LMP10 car. It's so far ahead of the future. It almost looks like a flying car. So yeah, I'm excited about this. So all right, that looks mean. Look at that. All right, we will talk to you guys soon. Bye.